Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you are all fine. Today we are going to start our new chapter, unit number 5, designing website. So student, this is a very important and interesting chapter. After learning this chapter, we will be able to create our own website. As you know that whenever we use internet, we face a lot of websites that about educational website, entertainment websites, sports websites, and we also create our own website after learning these chapters. So without wasting any time, let's start. Introductions. So students, whenever we send requests to a server with the help of web browser, basically a web browser is allow us to use the internet to access any website or any web pages, and we give a response, and the response in the form of HTML language. And web browser understand the HTML language. HTML is basically a structured language. It tells the browser how the websites look like. Now, where is the font? What is the font size? What is the color? Now, where is the menu bar? These are the structure of any websites. Now, definition. HTML means hypertext markup language. It is a very simple language that we use to create a web page. And students, the collection of web page is called a website. Here we have two important terms. The first is hypertext and second is markup language. Now students, the hypertext means when we search on the internet, we face a multiple links. And these links, whenever we click on the link, they move forward from one page to another page. For example, you search on the internet about Pakistan on the www as you know that as you find anything about the Pakistan, a website's links are appear before you. When you click on the link carry you on the another web page. Now second is markup language. The markup language is basically a series of elements which are represented by tags. Now students, this is a tag, this one is a tag, and this is a tag. Now remember this is a opening tag, this one is a opening tag. I will try my best with the help of this diagram, students. As you can see, this is a opening tag and this is a closing tag. And between these tags, we have a content, we have a material, and all these, we can say that these are called elements. For example, I am a student, I am in 9th class, I am in computer sections, and I have a computer. And all these materials that you say this is a content, and this is only appear on your computer screen, and these tags are not shown on any website. So students, you can see here, this is a P. The P means paragraph tag, and the content between these paragraph, I am again repeating, are shown on the screen. The tags are not shown. So students, in our today lecture, we will cover what is meant by HTML and the definition. After this, we will discuss two most important terms of HTML. The first is hypertext and second is markup language. Now students, the hypertext means we have a link that move forward from one page to another page. And in the markup language, we have basically a series of elements. In the elements, we have basically 4 different things. The first one is opening tag, the second is closing tag, and between these tags we have a element, we have a content, and all these we can say that this is an element. Students, we will also do practical in our upcoming lectures. This is a basic of HTML language. I hope you understand well. If you have any questions, you can ask me. I will give you an answer as soon as possible. So take care. Allah Hafiz.